Now see this question. This is the question of parallel resonance, right? So a parallel resonance network consisting of a resistor, हमारे पास resistor की वैल्यू है 50 ओम एंड कैपेसिटेंस की वैल्यू ओके 60 ओम, कैपेसिटेंस इज 120 माइक्रोफेरेड एंड इंडक्टेंस की वैल्यू है 200 मिली हेनरी, राइट? Is connected across a sinusoidal voltage which has a constant output voltage of all frequencies. Voltage की वैल्यू है 100 वोल्ट. कैलकुलेट रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी. एफ आर का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है पैरेलल के केस में? जस्ट मैंने अभी बताया है 1/2 पाई 1/रूट ऑफ 1/LC/R² so we can simply put down the values over here, right? Fr is equal to 1/2 pi root 1 by LC minus R²/L². Next is the quality factor. Quality factor, as I told you, that is same, that is resonant frequency divided by band width, right? So we have to calculate bandwidth also. What is the formula for the bandwidth? Remember? And once they ask circuit current at resonance, circuit current is I is equal to V by R. So V we know 100 volt and resistance we know that is 60 ohm. So we'll get the value of current. Okay. Now the left part is bandwidth. Correct? So we are having for bandwidth this formula, that is resonant frequency plus bandwidth divided by 2, but we don't have cutoff frequency. Bandwidth is f2 minus f1. Again we don't have cutoff frequency. And quality factor, we have to calculate quality factor for that. Okay, so quality factor formula is how much? Quality factor is 1 by R root L by C. We have R value, we have L value, we have C value. So from that we'll get the quality factor. Now we have quality factor value, we have resonant frequency. From that we'll get the value of bandwidth. Okay, so all parts done.